everybody!
Welcome to
Disney Family
Nerds!
So, we are rolling out a new series we're working on. It's called Knocking Your Head on the Table and trying to figure out your top fives. But no, we're as a vlogging family, Disney Family Nerds, we are unveiling our new series called Top Fives. So, Disney Family Nerd Top Fives. And episode 1 we're going to do today is going to be our top 5 rides in Walt Disney World. Doesn't have to be a specific park. It's just our top 5s at Disney World.
Yeah.
Can we?
So that being said, we're going to jump right into it.
I
think we're going to start with, we're going to go 5 to 1.
Yeah, 1 being our favorite.
Yep, 1's our favorite ride. And this is exclusive to each of us.
Yep.
And this is our opinion. So, it's at Disney World. Kinley,
you are up.
you get to go first. What's your top 5, number 5, favorite ride?
Peter Pan.
Peter Pan.
Peter Pan's Flight.
All right, and why is Peter Pan's Flight your favorite ride?
5.
Your top 5, number 5.
Because we fly.
Because we fly. That's a good one.
All right.
Good choice. All right, Aspen,
Test track.
Test Track is number 5.
do you have a reason why you put it at number 5? Or
Probably because you can design your own car, and you go through next to a train, and it's like, whoa, watch where you're going, buddy.
you mean a truck?
A truck, a train. What?
Yeah. Bennett, what's yours? No? Okay.
No? All right.
All right, Mommy?
All right. Aspen's going to yell at me because I'm only supposed to have 1. I put 2. It's between Test Track and Flight of Passage.
Pick one.
See? All right, fine. I'll go Flight of Passage as my number 5. I rode that ride. I love it. I get a little motion sickness on it. If I didn't have that, I think I would enjoy it so much more. But it is amazing. I mean, you can't go wrong with those graphics, the 4D, the movement. Well, yeah, because you get sprayed, you get the things right there.
Smells.
Everything.
The smell.
Yeah. So I'm going to go Flight of Passage then, if I can't have 2.
Yeah, my number 5 is also Flight of Passage. First time getting to ride it. It's a good ride. Everything that she just said too. Just the feeling you get with that, the overall graphics, the smells, the looks, everything. So that's my number 5.
All right, moving on. Number
Number
4.
4.
Kinley, what's
Kinley?
Number 4.
What's your number 4?
Barbara.
Small World.
How come?
It's a small world. Because we float.
Could we float? What's your favorite part in Small World that you really like? She likes the room with the clowns, believe it or not. The one that creeped the rest of us out, she loved it. We'll think
Alright.
about that one.
Aspen.
Aspen, you're
Number 4.
Pirates.
What?
Huh?
Pirates.
Pirates.
I thought you said something completely different. I'm
Right.
sorry. All right, Pirates of the Caribbean. Why is that your number 4 on your list?
I just like the smell in it and the redhead.
The redhead, right? It's and Disney water smell.
Yes.
Seriously, is there anything better? Walk around the park and smelling the Disney water smell.
Yep.
No, smelling. I know something a little better.
What?
Smelling the ride, smelling the smell from Flight of Passage walking around Disney.
Yep,
Yeah.
that'd be good too.
Yep.
Alright, my number 4, I put Everest. I like Expedition Everest, but I hate it. Again, it's the motion thing. If I wouldn't get motion sickness, I would actually love that ride. Like the first time I went on it, I was good.
Yeah.
But then me and Daddy rode it, and all of a sudden I got sick. Or I didn't actually get sick, but I felt really dizzy after riding it.
Yep.
But I love Everest. I mean, I really hope someday that they can fix the Yeti. I know it's crazy. They're going to take half the mountain apart to do it. I mean, it'd be fun to see that thing work again. But it is an exciting ride. I mean, literally, when you go backwards, you do feel like you're going to go upside down.
Yeah, the
That-
amount of
the-
G's going backwards
Yeah.
is crazy.
And the way it goes, it must go really high in one area because you just go up, and I think you're going to flip, but you don't. It's exciting. It's very, very thrilling. And you're chasing a Yeti. What could be better?
Right.
All right.
Alright.
Daddy?
My number 4 is also Everest.
Stop copying me.
I had mine done first.
True. I waited until the last minute.
Yeah, no, I really do enjoy Everest. I enjoy the G's going backwards and just the turns, how fast the turns go. I love the queue, the
Yeah.
Yeti, everything about it. It's just a really, really cool ride. So Everest comes in at number 4 for me.
All right. Moving on.
Number 3.
Kinley.
Spaceship
Spaceship
Earth.
Earth.
All right. And why is Spaceship Earth number 3 on your list?
Because we go up the hill and go backwards.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you like going backwards and looking at the stars.
that part's pretty
Yeah,
fun.
that is fun.
Is there a favorite scene you like? Like, do you like the Rome is burning? Do you like the?
The Egyptians, the
Do
computers.
you have a favorite part?
Daddy's
Feet in the 60s.
girlfriend.
Oh, Foxy Brown.
Foxy Brown. She foxy.
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, that's alright. You just like the whole ride? I know you do like the end part. She loves seeing the stars and
Yeah.
the picture of the Earth.
Yep.
All right, Aspen.
Number 3.
Slinky Dog.
Slinky Dog. All right.
Good one.
Why is Slinky Dog number 3 on your list?
I just really enjoy it.
Okay.
All right, nothing wrong with that.
Simple. Kids are simple. I just enjoy it.
Nothing with me. All right, I put pirates.
Yo, hey, stop copying me.
Sorry. Again, water smell, just the classic Walt put together pirates.
Mm-hmm.
I wasn't a huge fan of the change to the redhead. I like the original. I know it's political, but
I still like Redhead either.
you know, I liked redhead. No wrong. I mean, it's good that they give her power now. But like I said, the original scene was fine. I never found it offensive. But again, you got to go with the times and what people kind of change. But
Why did they find it offensive?
nah, something to explain to you when you're older.
And how come you said she's powered now?
Because she's not. She's selling instead of being sold. We'll explain that to you later.
Yeah.
But yeah, like I said, it's pirates. It's classic. I know that it's another controversial part that a lot of stuff got changed for the movie. They put a lot of Johnny Depp things in. You know, at the beginning, The Mist with Barbossa or Davy Jones.
Yeah, no, it's.
They still.
Isn't Barbossa on the boat now, right?
Oh, it's not. It's Blackbeard and Jones. It wasn't Barbossa.
Oh, you're right, Blackbeard.
Barbossa's in the boat.
In the boat. Blackbeard and Jones are on The Mist.
Yep.
And then a lot of people said that they sold out by doing that. But again, you know, the ride made the movie. The movie turned around and made the ride. I like it. I don't know. It's just, like I said, it's a classic. It's pirates. I can ride that over and over. The queue. I love the queue.
What about
The
the?
gift shop at the end is awesome. I love the gift shop. I love that they have the picture now on the ride. I wish literally all rides would have photo pass on it.
Yes. That'd be cool.
Right? I mean, obviously some you can't, but I'm glad they did it with pirates. I love it. I mean, that's my.
I forgot about the drop in it.
Yeah, I love the drop. It means a little drop. All right, Daddy, your
All
number
right,
3.
Number 3, Tower of Terror. Those two have never been on the ride, so she can't go boo. This one went on, she turned
To
green.
get dropped on. I hate
So
that feeling.
to me, it's just one of those thrill rides at Disney.
It's scary.
Um,
Very scary.
It's fun. You're bringing you out of your chair. The queue is really cool. The whole atmosphere about it. I really like Tower of Terror. It's about it. I mean, I don't have too much to go. I'm gonna be a kid here, and I like it.
You just like
I
it.
just like
Just like it.
it. So
All right. Moving on to
number 2.
Wait, what's my number?
It's that or Kinley. Oh, great. Okay, you ready, Kinley? I gotta try and pronounce this again. Come here.
You got it right.
Triceratops spin.
Spin.
All right.
In Dino Land, USA.
Mommy had.
Why do you like that one?
Because it turned so slow.
Because it turns so slow. She likes these little kid rides.
You know why I like it? Because mommy has to try and say it.
Yeah. My goodness, that's difficult.
Last night it was
Triceratop or Triceratops, Tricerabobs, or Tricer. I don't know.
blah blah.
Triceratops or something like that. It was awesome.
Blah blah blah.
Whatever, it's Triceratops. Ha!
See?
Say it again.
Boom. And she
Drop
dropped
the mic.
pencil.
Open my mouth.
All right,
Aspen.
Number 2.
Like the passage.
And why do you like Flight of Passage?
Because I just do.
Because again,
Just
do.
do. I mean, I think we all touched on it before. She likes
Yeah,
the
the
smell
smell.
and everything. So.
and I gotta admit, when not me and her wrote it, I don't think I've ever heard somebody giggle so much. She was like, "Mom, you ready for this? You ready for this?" She really liked it.
She knew it was coming.
And
she liked it.
She was really good about it.
I
All
like
right.
when we were about to get hit in the head with a tree, but we just like start like boom.
Right? It's very, very good. If you haven't ridden it, I highly suggest fast passing that thing.
Mm-hmm.
If you can. It's hard to get fast passes. We got lucky.
Or just wait in line for like 20 hours.
No exaggeration there.
I was exaggerating?
On that note, all right, number two. My number one and number two can be interchanged, honestly. I put Slinky Dog Dash. I absolutely fell in love with this roller coaster from the first time me and Travis went on it.
Mm-hmm.
Like when we went on it, we did an adult trip. He had a conference down there. I met him, and we got row number one on our very first time going on Slinky Dog. And honestly, from that moment on, I was hooked.
Mm-hmm.
It is just so fun and so smooth.
It was a very smooth ride.
Like I said, I'm not a big ride fan, because I just don't like I hate wooden roller coasters. But
That's
this
a wooden one?
no, it's not. Like I said, I don't like wooden roller coasters. It's not a wooden roller coaster, but it is just smooth. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
and I love the slingshot part where you pull back and you go up the big hill, and you just like gravity just kind of takes you. You stop, and then I don't know. I love it. It's a fun ride.
Yeah.
I think Kinley will like it eventually.
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 All right, Daddy, number two.
My number two is Test Track. It's kind of a classic, I think. It's a lot of fun. You get to go 64.9 miles per hour.
I'll never
Just-
let that go.
Everything about it. Just going through the queue. The queue is really cool. Then building your own car and kind of see how it works.
I made him have a pink car the rest
Yeah, we had a pink car, even though I can rock a pink tie. It's all good. I like pink. I can handle pink. But no, I do enjoy that ride immensely.
Adventure?
Just to put another thing towards that.
You said
Immensely.
Immensely.
Immensely. That means a lot.
Oh, I thought you were saying eventually.
No, immensely.
So anyway, to add another thing to him, another thing I love about Test Track, single rider line.
Yes. Good call.
When the kids aren't with us, single rider line it every
Yep,
time.
Every time.
We're in, the longest we ever waited was 20 minutes, not even.
Not even.
15.
Not even.
Yeah. So that's another thing I love about Test Track is single rider line.
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't matter that we get split up when it's just us two. Like
Yeah.
when I was by myself, single rider line, I was in.
Yeah.
I bet you made a pretty cool car by yourself.
You don't make a car when you're single rider
Yeah.
line.
You bypass the queue.
Yeah, you just wait in line.
Minute.
All right, ready?
What are you
The
doing?
big reveal.
All right.
Number one. All right, Kinley, you're number one.
Dumbo.
How do you tell this one?
Dumbo.
She knows. Why do you
Dumbo's
like
perfect.
Dumbo?
It flies.
Because you fly in an elephant. Yeah. You like your Dumbo.
Okay.
She's super excited about the movie coming out as well.
Yep.
So
Yep, that should be good.
that's
Alright.
pretty simple, right?
Yeah,
you love
flip
it.
it.
All right. Aspen.
Aspen.
Number one.
Spaceship Earth.
Spaceship Earth.
I just love it, and I also love the history, and I just love it too.
It's an amazing ride. I'm not gonna deny it. Okay, I'm just gonna say one thing for the record. I wanted to put a top 10 on this one because I could not decide.
But well, I've been having good ideas the last few days. I
Yeah.
decided top 5 for us all.
Yeah. She made us do top 5 instead of top 10.
Top fives are good. I like top fives because top tens you gotta like really devote a lot of time
Right.
to.
You do. It's a little bit more into it, but I just want to say I have a ton more rides, and of course, Spaceship Earth was should have been on one of my top 5s as well. But anyway, anything else you have to say on Spaceship Earth?
Not really.
All right. My number one, Splash Mountain. Again, this could have been interjected 1 and 2. Slinky and Splash. Splash is just a classic. I remember I was terrified of this ride. I didn't ride it on our Disney moon when we went.
Yep.
The first time I rode it was we went in 2015.
With me?
Yeah, with you and Jen. My friend Jen got me to ride it, and then after that, I was hooked.
Yep.
I mean, you're immersed in that story through the whole ride, and that's what I like. Like, I love going through everything, like the Briar Patch.
Yep.
In the on our second trip, I hated that ride.
Yep, she wouldn't do it.
But because I got the wind knocked out of me, I wanted the double drop.
Yeah, she didn't like the double drop when we go to the laughing place.
Because I got the wind knocked out of me.
She went down.
He's good. He's just chilling.
So yeah, no, like I said, it's just like, it's one of those rides that you are immersed the whole, 10-minute, 12-minute ride that it is. And that's what I think I like about it too. It's so long. Like, it's not so long, but it's a long ride. The queue is amazing, and now you get awesome Ziploc baggies
Yep.
to put your phones in,
Mm-hmm.
and it's just fun. I mean, everything in that ride is exciting. It keeps you, immersed in that ride, and that's a good one. I love it. I mean, there's nothing I don't love about it.
We could always just steal the bags whenever we want to, just for fun.
Yeah, we took a lot of bags last time. All right,
All right.
Daddy, you're number one.
My number one is also Spaceship Earth.
Copycat!
It's
I
a-
can't deny I really enjoy that ride.
It's a very good ride.
All the scenes, the history.
Your girlfriend.
Foxy Brown, she's pretty foxy. But in all reality though, even the voice behind it with Judi Dench,
Dame Judi Dench.
Dame Judi Dench, just being able to sit back and enjoy and just realize you're in Disney World, you're on Spaceship Earth, you're in the big ball, it's
It's not a ball!
Silver ball, like
big
silver ball.
It's not a
But-
silver ball.
it's just, to me, it's that calming, relaxing ride that I look forward to going to every time.
It's like the comfort of home.
Yeah.
It's right there, too.
So-
Yep. It is. I don't know about you guys, but there's certain rides when you go to Disney, you just feel at home, you feel comfortable, relaxed.
Yep.
And Spaceship Earth, to me, is one of those rides, like I said, it should have been on my top 5, but it wasn't. I had to decide. Like, I could probably take Eversoft for Spaceship Earth, because I would ride Spaceship Earth over
Yeah.
and over and over and over.
I almost started crying the other day. I was like gonna shut down.
Yeah, the refurbishment coming in 2020,
Mm-hmm.
right? Yes, 2020, beginning of 2020, they're shutting it down and not opening it up till halfway, 2022, halfway through. Late part of 2022 is what I read last. So, yeah, that's gonna be a shocker. This one decided that we're not allowed to go to Disney for those 2 years while it's shut down.
Yep.
So we might have to head out Disneyland during those 2 years, or plan other trips.
Or I like to go to Disneyland Paris or Hong Kong or
Shanghai.
Shanghai, whatever they are. But yeah, we can do
I
that.
want to go to Disneyland also, cause it's like the last place where Walt was, kind of.
Yeah, you're right. See the history.
Yep.
So yeah,
All right.
those are the Disney Family Nerds
Top 5 favorite rides at
Yep.
Disney World.
I might end up
Disney
crying
World.
still later today.
It'll be okay.
All right, so yeah, that's our first top 5 video.
Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I mean, of course, we love putting this together because, again, we debate a lot,
Right. It gives us time to sit, debate, talk, think about Disney,
right? And I
Next
didn't
time-
think about Disney.
Yep.
That's good.
I'll think of the next one also.
Great.
All
That
right.
scares me. All right. Well, again,
Yep.
thank the Phoenicians.